Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Good.
Yeah. So what's today's phrase?
Good. So today's phrase is this.
It is, I am staying in New York for a week. So this is what you would say if usually someone asks you like, oh, how long are you staying in some place? For example, New York. Let's say you're staying in New York for a week, so then you would just say, I am staying in New York for a week. And of course you can change this bottom one with whatever amount of time you're staying. For example, a month or a few days or something. So how would you say this in Japanese?
日本語でニューヨークに1週間滞在します。
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Yep. So 1 week, eh? 1 week. Kind of short, but
Yeah, it's short.
yeah, but usually Japanese maybe less than 1 week, I think.
Oh, really?
Almost like 3, sometimes 3 or 4 nights.
3 or 4 nights?
Yeah, remember last time my cousin came to here.
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe he stayed only 3 nights. Right?
Yeah, that felt like a really short trip. Like, I would
Yeah.
never travel to another country and only stay 3 nights.
Yeah, it's very hard.
Yeah.
And 3 nights mean and come here and time is different, you know, because
Yeah.
15 hours? No, not 15.
How much is it
11?
from here to Japan?
I think
11 hours?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's about like exactly 1 day difference, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that. So just come here and then they're gonna get the jet lag, right?
Yeah, I know. I get really bad jet lag when I travel anywhere,
Yeah.
especially if I usually go to Europe so to see my family because some of my family lives in Finland. So if I go there, I get very bad jet lag. Like I sleep at 3 p.m.
Yeah.
every day.
Or maybe jet lag everyone knows about, but just in case jet lag means 時差ボケですね。時差ボケ。
Yeah, jet lag.
Yeah. So if there are 3 nights and come here, got the jet lag here, and the 3 nights stay here and coming better, and
Yeah.
go back to Japan again, and jet lag again there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's very hard actually.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually I can't deal with it. I always get very bad jet lag. So when we travel, I definitely want to like have a few days to adjust. Actually, last time when we went to Japan, I was very sick the first 3
Yeah,
days
you
because
are.
I had very, very bad jet lag, like sleep deprivation. Like I wasn't sleeping enough, so I had like a very bad like stomach ache and felt like very sick the first 3 days.
Yeah.
But after that, I was okay. After I got like sleep and stuff.
Well, sometimes I wonder though, Japanese actually has a more than United States a lot of public holiday there. Yeah, but sometime in American during the summer, right? Like it takes a couple months sometimes, no?
For what? Holiday?
Yeah, especially summer holiday. Sometimes it takes a couple of months, no?
For like school and college and stuff, you do get a couple months break usually, but if you're just working, like you just have to take the vacation yourself. You don't usually get any vacation if you're working.
Okay.
Yeah. Like at a company or something.
But maybe I think even Japanese has a lot of holiday, but they cannot take maybe.
Wait, why is that?
Cause maybe like how can I say like a boss don't take even they have lots of holiday, but those boss don't take it. So maybe everyone a little bit awkward to take their own holiday maybe.
Oh, so if the boss doesn't take off, then they feel weird about taking off?
I guess.
Kind of?
I don't know. I've never worked in some companies and stuff, so
Oh, okay.
I don't know. But I guess.
I feel like here, like, people don't really care about what their boss does. They're just like, I'm taking a vacation whether you like it or not. Like, nothing's gonna get in my way.
Yes.
Like, there's definitely more of that attitude. Just from, like, hearing people I know, like my mom, who used to work at a company, it was very much that attitude. Like, I don't care how much work my coworkers have to do. I'm taking off these 2 weeks whether you like it or not. It was like putting a stake in the ground.
Yeah,
It's like, I have to do this. Yeah.
Yeah, totally
Yeah.
different this stuff. I
Yeah.
guess so. Maybe not. Yeah. But recently Japan too, they try to take in a lot of holiday, long one.
That's good.
Yeah, even government suggesting to the company.
Oh, that's good, that's
they
good.
should take their more holiday.
Yeah, it's very hard here actually. I feel like it's the opposite because like I don't think there is a law here where you're forced to, companies forced to give you holiday, so a lot of people don't have like any vacation or very little vacation days here. Yeah, so it's actually very hard if you work at a company here because you get very few days off.
But you've never worked in office, right?
Me, I worked 2 weeks in one office and then I quit.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the only like real office job I had. Now I just do freelance, which works a lot better for me.
Yeah. So we have no idea actually.
Yeah, both of us don't know that life. Yeah.
How they're gonna take that long vacation.
Yeah.
So for you, kind of all year vacation.
That's not true. I'm working more than people at companies. Okay. I work like.
That's true.
I work like 10 hours a day, and then I work Saturday too.
But sometimes you don't feel like that's a work, no? Just
well, yeah, because it's fun.
Want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too actually. I sometimes work like a 10 hours sometimes 15 hours, but you know, most of them I do what I want to.
That's true.
Yes.
Yeah, I think if you're doing work that you enjoy, it doesn't really feel like work.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So recommend it.
Yeah, definitely.
So just what you want to, you can just
become a YouTuber.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Okay. So what is the trade phrase again?
Okay, so I'm gonna repeat it slowly first and then get a little bit faster each time. I am staying in New York for a week. Okay, a little bit faster. I am staying in New York for a week. Okay, and one more time at normal speed. I am staying in New York for a week. Alright, so that's it.
Okay.
How did you do today?
Sounds good.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like, and if you have a suggestion for one of our next videos, feel free to also leave a comment down below. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos, feel free to also subscribe to our channel.
Good. それではまたお会いしましょう。
Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.